Concrete Earth Management Team specializes in the research and development of environmentally friendly, sustainable, economical, and time-saving solutions. In the following program, we are going to introduce you to a completely new and green Ecoguard concrete polishing system designed to improve your performance, increase your bottom line, and provide your customers with an exceptional value in concrete surface restoration. We chose a section of a 30-year-old warehouse concrete floor subjected to constant forklift traffic and other hazards of manufacturing and commercial warehouse abuse. The surface is stained with some surface damage and an abundance of craze cracks. We chose this warehouse floor to challenge the Ecoguard system to perform under the most demanding conditions. Our goal is to achieve a salt and pepper texture, since it is the most commonly requested finish. Our first step is to apply the Ecoguard pre-grind solution with a high-volume, low-pressure sprayer evenly across the concrete surface at a rate of approximately 150 to 200 square feet per gallon. You can see the powerful etching and cleaning action as Ecoguard pre-grind reacts on the concrete surface without any toxic fumes or chemical dangers to be aware of. After about 10 to 15 minutes, we add water to prepare for our first grinding pass, often referred to as your first cut in the concrete polishing world. We begin the grinding process by using 80 grit diamond metal segment abrasives. You can see the aggressive removal rate by the substantial resulting mud-like paste. What you are seeing is ground concrete materials and surface contaminants being quickly and efficiently removed from the concrete surface without overgrinding and exposing coarse aggregate unevenly as when using lower grit abrasives under wet or dry grinding processes. After completing the initial grinding process, we can see a cleanly exposed salt and pepper texture. Our surface is now ready to move on up to resin abrasives, using a 30 grit to start and moving on up to 100 grit to apply our color. Now that we've completed 3 consecutive grinding steps using 30, 50, and 100 grit resin abrasives, we're ready to apply our color. First, we vacuum and mop our work area and follow up with the application of our uniquely formulated, eco-friendly, water-soluble dyes, appropriately named Ecoguard Color Infusion. The Ecoguard Color Infusion is a proprietary green formulation of concentrated dyes which are blended with 3 parts water. Ecoguard Color Infusion does not require an induction period, the use of solvent-resistant sprayers, or expose the surrounding environment to any toxic fumes or explosive dangers. It is easily and immediately dispersed with the added water and ready to use. Once diluted, pour the blended Ecoguard Color Infusion dye into a high-volume, low-pressure sprayer using a conical tip. Apply the stain uniformly across the surface, ensuring complete coverage and saturation. After completing the application of the stain by sprayer, allow to soak in slowly and penetrate. For a consistent color hue and depth, we recommend spreading and working in the stain as we are doing with the use of an orange-crete defibrillated nylon brush. This method of application ensures an even penetration, maintains color consistency, and permeates the surface depressions and craze cracks. After an elapsed time of about 45 minutes, the Ecoguard Color Infusion is now dry and ready for the next step. Using an aggressive burnishing pad, we burn in the color infusion, ensuring that all excess surface residual is promptly removed and diminishing any possible uneven color streaks. This demonstrates that once the Ecoguard Color Infusion is dry, it is water insoluble and cannot be removed by mopping or water-based topical product application. The Ecoguard Hardener Intensifier is a proprietary colloidal silicate formulation which is ready to use and applied by high-volume, low-pressure sprayer. It significantly increases surface abrasion resistance, wear factor, arrests dusting and efflorescence, resists stains and oil contamination, and stabilizes internal moisture content. Use a consistent spray pattern and ensure good surface saturation. Spread out evenly over the entire surface using a synthetic microfiber applicator. Allow to dry completely and resume the polishing process. We complete the polishing process by consecutively going through 200, 400, 800, and 1500 grit resin abrasives. Once finished, the floor exhibits a deep uniform color, substantial reflectivity, and distinction of image, resulting in an overall aesthetically pleasing yet functional floor surface. The Ecoguard Surface Protector is an eco-friendly protective barrier against stains and contaminant intrusion into the concrete surface. It demonstrates excellent water and stain repellency, is easily maintained with daily cleaning and burnishing, and produces a high reflective gloss finish. To apply, simply spray across the surface with an even flow. Once surface is uniformly covered, spread out evenly with a synthetic microfiber applicator. Apply 3 consecutive thin coats, allowing 15 to 20 minutes of dry time in between coats. After about 1 hour of the final application, burnish with hog's hair pads to achieve a beautiful luster finish. The Ecoguard concrete polishing system is not only earth and user-friendly, but highly cost-effective, proven to reduce labor costs and diamond abrasive wear while drastically improving color retention and consistency. The Ecoguard maintenance program consists of a simple-to-use daily regimen of cleaning with intermittent high-speed burnishing using our Neutral Clean, along with periodical reapplications of our very cost-effective protective floor shine. For more information or to obtain one of our sample kits, please call 800-441-6646 or visit us on the web at www.concreteearth.com.